Alright everybody, this room is almost finished. My Lego room, or Papa's block zone. Now, I do have 2 shelves to put right here, 2 shelves to put right here. I gotta put a door on that over there. And then I gotta get my door for that doorway. But other than that, this room is finished. I got my little ceiling fan light up top. So, y'all tell me what you think. Leave me comments. Make sure you go to YouTube, like and subscribe. I got my storage down there. Just leave me comments and go to YouTube and subscribe. And hit that like button and follow button on here. Let me know what y'all think. What you like, what you don't like, what you think. Any suggestions? Thank y'all.